Attention, all humans. This is Optimus Prime. Welcome to Best Bundle.
Let's get to the exciting part. We're proud to announce the unveiling of the two monumental statues that you can see right behind me.
Today I'm proud to introduce our latest adventure, which is the Transforming Textiles Awareness Campaign, and to discuss the vital role that textile recovery plays in our mission.
Let me express my profound excitement that Selangor has now become the proud home to the largest Bumblebee sculpture in the entire world.
Let's do it now.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Awesome. So all the branded items kita boleh dapat dengan harga yang paling murah.
Reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way.
Very good. Can find many quality shirts, good price. We recommend a lot of people to come here to buy.
Barang dia murah-murah lah, kasut murah-murah, baju murah-murah. Ada playground, mainan kanak-kanak. Best bundle memang best.
Barangnya masih berkualiti.
Mampu untuk dibeli semua orang.
Boleh datang kemari dan mampu milik lah. Harga terendah. Best bundle memang best.
Best dekat bundle ni, dia murah. Lepas tu cantik, barangnya berkualiti. Best bundle memang best.
Sini macam-macam ada guys. Kita ada berbagai aktiviti, makanan yang sedap-sedap dan juga barang-barang yang
My way, I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. My way.
Best Bundle! Best Bundle!
Transform your wardrobe and find your all spark at Best Bundle.